Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079473, because of these error codes. So if you are receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness in the list, make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click on background intelligent transfer service, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows settings, go to Windows Update. If you see the retry option, hit retry and then check. Still not working, go to Windows Update and over here you can see pause option, hit pause. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can use update catalog. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5079473. The link is provided in the video description. On Microsoft website, type in the name of the update, then click on search. Type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command to check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 0x800f0982. So check your version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. For me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And then click on KB5079473 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. And then you can run this exe file and then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. Save it to desktop. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. And here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.